Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about C program for multiplication of two matrices. In the previous video, we are already discussed about what is recursion, what are the types of recursion, what are the advantages and disadvantages and applications of recursion, and a factorial program, Fibonacci series program and GCD program. These three programs are also discussed in the previous videos. If anybody wants, please refer that videos in my YouTube channel because they are very important programs comes under recursion. Now we can go for how to calculate the multiplication of two matrices. Okay. First, we have to include two header files to our program. First header file is stdio.h, standard input output header file. Second header file is #include conio.h, console input output header file. After that, we have to write main function void main. Every C program starts its execution with the main program. The data type of main function is void. That means it does not return any value. Now we have to declare three matrices. Each matrix size is 10-10. Matrix A size is 10-10, matrix B size is 10-10, and matrix C size is also 10-10. This is the available size of each and every matrix. Okay. From the available size, we have to take the required size only. Next, we have to declare the variables I, J, K. These are the loop variables. Next, matrix A size is M and N. Matrix B size is P and Q. Okay. M is nothing but rows of matrix A, N is nothing but columns of matrix A, P is nothing but rows of matrix B, Q is nothing but columns of matrix B. Next one, CLR clear screen function. This function is used for clear the output screen. This function is available in #include conio.h header file. So that we must include this header file to our program. Next one, printf, enter the required matrix A size. Matrix A size. The available size is 10-10. So from the available size, we have to take only a required array size of matrix A. Okay. The required array size can be read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf %d, double quotes and comma, ampersand m, comma, ampersand n. So m is nothing but rows of matrix A, n is nothing but columns of matrix B. Oh, matrix A. Now, next, printf, enter the required matrix B size. Matrix B size. So matrix B size is also read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf ampersand percentage t double quotes and ampersand p comma ampersand q. So P is nothing but rows of matrix B and Q is nothing but columns of matrix B. Okay. Now, what is the condition we have to follow for multiplication of two matrices? The columns of matrix A is equal to the rows of matrix B. Okay. What is the column size of matrix A? That is n. What is the row size of matrix B? That is P. So n equal to P. N equal to P. The column size of matrix A is equal to the row size of matrix B. If this condition is true, then matrix multiplication is possible, otherwise matrix multiplication is not possible. So printf matrix multiplication is possible. Matrix multiplication is possible. Slash and double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon. Once the matrix multiplication is possible, now we have to enter the elements in matrix A. So printf enter the elements into matrix A. So slash and double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon. Okay. We have to use two for loops for entering the elements into matrix A. First for loop indicates the rows. Second for loop indicates the columns. Okay. For I is equal to 0, I less than row size of matrix A is m, I less than m, I plus plus. Next for loop for columns in matrix A, j is equal to 0 semicolon, j less than n, n is nothing but columns of matrix A, j plus plus. Brace begin. So scanf function is used for reading the elements in matrix A from the keyboard. Scanf percentage d double quotes and comma ampersand a of I of j. So brace close. Okay. We are reading the elements into matrix A by using scanf function from the keyboard. This for loop represents the row size in matrix A. This for loop represents the column size in matrix A. Okay. Next. So printf, we have to print the elements in matrix A. The entered elements in matrix A are whatever the elements that we are read from the keyboard, that elements are printed on the monitor. So for I is equal to 0 semicolon, I less than M semicolon I plus plus. For J is equal to 0 semicolon J less than N semicolon J plus plus. Printf percentage D. Here we are mentioned /T comma A of I J. After this for loop close, we have to write printf /n. So this is used for printing the elements in matrix A in matrix form. Okay. So first for loop close and second for loop close, inner for loop close, outer for loop close. In between them, we have to write printf /n. So because of writing this statement, so whatever the elements we are entering from the keyboard, that elements are printed in a matrix form. Okay. Next, printf enter the elements into matrix B. Okay. Next, for I is equal to 0 semicolon. What is the row size in matrix B? P. So I less than P. I plus plus. Next, for J is equal to 0 semicolon. What is the column size in matrix B? That is Q. J less than Q, J plus plus. Let's begin. We have to read the elements from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf %D double quotes and ampersand B of I J. We have to read the elements into matrix B from the keyboard by using scanf function. Next, after that we have to print whatever the elements that are read from the keyboard into matrix B. So printf the entered elements in matrix B are in matrix B are. So /n double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon. We have to print the elements of matrix B. For I is equal to 0 semicolon. I less than row size in matrix B. P I plus plus. Next, column size in matrix B is J is equal to 0, J less than column size, Q, J plus plus. Next, printf %D /T double quotes and B of IJ. So this /T is used for space. Okay, element is printed, after that some space is printed, after that next element is printed. So these elements are printed in a matrix form, so that we have to write this statement printf /n in between the closing of this for loop and this for loop. Okay, so whenever we are writing the elements of matrix B in this fashion, the elements of matrix B are printed in a matrix form. Okay, the elements of matrix A are also printed in matrix form. Okay, for example, we are taking matrix A size is 2, 2. A size is 2, 2. I am taking 2, 2. So here 2 is nothing but row size, that is M. 2 is nothing but column size, that is N. Okay, so first we have to check I is equal to 0. I less than M. M value is 2. So 0 less than 2. Condition true. If the condition is true, the control goes to the body of the for loop. In the body, again for loop is there. Okay, J is equal to 0, semicolon, J less than N. J less than N is, N value is 2. So, 0 less than 2. Condition true. Then if this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the inner for loop. So, scanf percentage D ampersand A of I value is 0, J value is 0. Okay. Now, the element is read into matrix A. Okay. So, 0, 0. In that 0, 0, we have to write element 1. Here, I am writing this one. Here, this is 0th row, first row. This is 0th column, first column of matrix A. Okay. A of 0, 0. So, A of 0, 0, the element is read. Okay. So, the element is, suppose I am taking 1. Okay. Next one is J value is incremented. Previously, J value 0. After incrementing, J value is 1. So, 1 less than N. N value is 2. 1 less than 2. Condition true. Then the control goes to the body of the inner for loop. Scanf percentage D ampersand A of I value is 0. J value is 1. After incrementing J value, it is 1. A of 0, 1. Okay. So, what is the element we have to read? That is 2. Okay. So, 0, 0 is element is 1. 0, 1 is element is 2. After that, J value is incremented. Now, J value becomes 2. 2 less than 2. N value 2. False. Then the control goes to the outer for loop. Next, I value is incremented. Previously, I value 0. Now it is incremented by 1. So, 1 less than 2. 1 less than 2. Condition true. If the condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the for loop. Okay. Now, J is equal to 0. 0 less than 2. N value is 2. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop, inner for loop. So, scanf percentage D ampersand A of I value is 1. J value is 0. A of 1, 0. A of 1, 0 means this one. The element is read from the keyboard, that is 3. Next, J value is incremented. Now, J value is 1. Previous it is 0. 1 less than 2. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the inner for loop. Scanf percentage D ampersand A of I value is 1 and J value is 1. So, A of 1, 1. The element is read from the keyboard, that is 4. Okay. Next, J value is incremented. Now, J value 2. 2 less than 2. That is false. Then the control goes to the outer for loop. Now I value is incremented. Previously 1, now it is 2. 2 less than 2. That is false. Then the control goes to the next statement after the outer for loop. Okay. So after the outer for loop, so printf the entered elements in matrix A are. So whatever the elements that we have read, that elements are printed in the matrix form. Okay. Once again we are checking. So I value 0, 0 less than 2. M value is 2. Condition true. the control goes to the body of the for loop, outer for loop. Here for j equal to 0, 0 less than 2, n value is 2. Condition true, the control goes to the body of the inner for loop. Printf percentage d slash t a of I value 0, j value 0, a of 0, 0. So here this is matrix A, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. A of 0, 0. What is the element we are read? 1. 1 is printed here. Next, after that slash t. Slash t means this space is occurred. Next, j value is incremented. Now j value 1, 1 less than 2. Condition true. Then the control goes to the body of the inner for loop. Printf percentage d slash t a of I value 0, j value 1. So a of 0, 1. A of 0, 1, what is the element we have to read? 2 is printed. After that, j value is incremented. Now j value is 2. 2 less than 2, false. Then the control goes to the next statement after the inner for loop. After the inner for loop, printf slash n. The control goes to the next line. Now the control goes to this one. Okay. Again, the control goes to the outer for loop. I plus plus. Previous I value 0. Now it is incremented by 1. 1 less than 2. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the outer for loop. Now j is equal to 0. 0 less than 2. N value is 2. Condition true. So printf percentage d slash t a of I value 1, j value 0. So a of 1, 0. A of 1, 0, what is the element we are read? That is 3. 3 is printed. After that slash t. The control goes to this point. Then j value is incremented. Now j value 1, 1 less than 2. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the inner for loop. Printf percentage d slash t a of I value 1, j value 1. A of 1, 1. What is the element we are reading? That is 4. 4 is printed. Okay. Next, after that, j value is incremented. So 2 less than 2, that is false. Then the control goes to the outer for loop. Now I value is incremented. Now I value 2. 2 less than 2, that is false. Then the control goes to the next statement after the outer for loop. Okay. So then the matrix A is printed. In the same way, the matrix B elements are also read from the keyboard, and whatever the elements that we are read from the keyboard, that elements are also printed. Okay. So I am taking matrix B as same elements I am taking. So 0, 1, 0, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, matrix elements B is also printed. Okay. The same explanation can also apply for matrix B. Okay. Then we have to calculate the matrix multiplication of two matrices A and B. Printf matrix multiplication. Slash n, double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon. For I is equal to 0 semicolon, I less than m semicolon, I plus plus. Press begin for j is equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Okay. So here I am taking, this is n value, it is columns of matrix, column size of matrix A and row size of matrix B. Okay. Next one is, here I am taking C of I of j. C of I of j is equal to 0. Initially, matrix C does not contain any values. Okay. Next, for k is equal to 0, k less than q, semicolon, k plus plus. Next one, C of ij is equal to C of I of j plus A of ik into B of kj. B of kj. Then this for loop close, and this for loop close, and this for loop close. Okay. Next one, printf the resultant matrix C. C contains the result of after multiplying A and B matrix. C is. Then we have to print the matrix C. For I is equal to 0, semicolon, I less than m, semicolon, I plus plus. Next, for j is equal to 0, semicolon, j less than n, semicolon, j plus plus. Next one, so printf %d / t double quotes and C of I of j is printed. In between the closing of inner for loop and outer for loop, we have to write /n. So then the elements of matrix C are printed in a matrix form. Okay. If condition is close. Suppose if the if condition is false, then we have to write else part. Matrix printf matrix multiplication is not possible. Matrix multiplication is not possible. So /n double quotes and parenthesis close, semicolon, else close. Next one, get ch and main close. Okay. So this is the matrix multiplication program. Okay. Now we are multiplying this matrix. Here A matrix contains, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now B matrix contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how we are getting matrix C elements? Okay, we have to check this one. Okay, first I is equal to 0. Okay, here first matrix size, A matrix size is 2, 2. This is M, this is N. Matrix B size is 2, 2. This is P and this is Q. Okay, so this is matrix A size and this is matrix B size. First I is equal to 0, I less than N. So N value 2. So 0 less than 2. Condition true. If the condition true, then the control goes to the body of the for loop. in the body again for loop is there, j equal to 0, 0 less than p value is 2. Okay, condition true, then the control goes to the body of this for loop. C of ij. Okay, so C of ij means I value 0, j value 0. C of 0, 0 is equal to 0. Initially, C of 0, 0 value 0. Next, k equal to 0, 0 less than q value is 2. 0 less than 2. Condition true. Okay. If the condition is true, then the control goes to this body of the for loop. C of ij. That means C of 0, 0 value we have to find out. So that means C of 0, 0 is equal to C of 0, 0, C of 0, 0 plus A of ik. I value 0, k value 0 into b of kj. K value 0, j value 0. So that is equal to C of 0, 0 value initially 0 plus A of 0, 0. 0, 0 is 1 into b of 0, 0. B of 0, 0 is 1. So 0 plus 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. So in the first iteration, C of 0, 0 value we are getting is 1. Okay. So now this result can be taken as 1. 1. Okay. Next, k value incremented. Now k value is 1. 1 less than 2. Condition true. Now also we are finding out C of ij. I value 0, j value 0 is equal to C of ij, C of 0, 0 plus A of ik. I value 0, k value is 1. Now it becomes 1 into B of kj. K value 1 and j value 0. So now C of 0, 0 value previous step we are getting 1. 1 plus A of 0, 1. A of 0, 1 value is 2. 2 into B of 1, 0. B of 1, 0 value is 3. So 3. So 1 plus 2 into 3, that is equal to 7. After k increment 2 less than 2, that is false. Then the control goes to the outer for loop. J value is incremented. Now j value 1. Okay. In the first step, we are getting C of 0, 0 value is 7. Okay. Next one. Now j value is incremented. Now j value 1, 1 less than 2. Condition true. If the condition is true, then the control goes to the body of this for loop. C of I value 0, no change. J value is 1. So C of 0, 1. C of 0, 1 is equal to 0. C of 0, 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Next one. K equal to 0, 0 less than 2. Condition true. Then the control goes to this for loop. C of I value 0, j value 1. C of 0, 1 we have to calculate is equal to C of I value 0, j value 1. C of 0, 1 plus A of ik. I value 0, k value is also 0. Okay. Into B of k value 0 and j value is 1. J value is 1. Okay. C of 0, 1. Initially C of 0, 1 contains value 0 plus A of 0, 0. A of 0, 0 value is 1 into B of 0, 1. B of 0, 1 value is 2. So 0 plus 1 into 2. We are getting 2. In this first iteration, we are getting the value 2. So this becomes C of 0, 1 value is equal to 2. Next, after that, k value is incremented. Now k value 1. 1 less than 2. Condition true. The control goes to the body of this for loop. C of ij, that means C of 0, 1 is equal to C of 0, 1. C of 0, 1 value is 2. Next, A of ik. I value 0, k value 1. I value 0, k value 1 into b of kj. K value 1, j value is also 1. Okay. C of 0, 1 value 2 plus a of 0, 1. A of 0, 1 value is 2 into b of 1, 1. B of 1, 1 means this one, 4. So 2 plus 2 into 4, that is equal to 10. So now it becomes 10. So C of 0, 1 value is 10. Okay. Next one. Next, k value is incremented. Now k value 2, 2 less than 2. That is false. Okay. Then control goes to the outer for loop. J value is incremented. Now j value 2, 2 less than 2. That is also false. Then the control goes to the outer for loop. I incremented. Previously I value 0. Now I value 1. 1 less than n. N value is 2. Condition true. The control goes to the body of this for loop. Again in this body another for loop is there. J equal to 0. 0 less than p. P value is 2. Condition true. The control goes to the body of this for loop. C of ij. I value 1, j value 0. I value 1, j value 0. C of 1, 0. Initially I am taking 0. C of 1, 0 is equal to 0. Next, for k equal to 0, 0 less than q value is 2. 0 less than 2. Condition true. Then the control goes to body of this for loop. We have to calculate C of 1, 0. So now C of 1, 0 we have to calculate. C of 1, 0 is equal to C of 1, 0. This I value 1, j value 0. C of 1, 0. Okay. Plus A of ik. I value 1, k value 0. I value 1, k value 0 into b of kj. K value 1, k value 0, j value also 0. Okay. So then what is the result we are getting? C of 1, 0 initially 0 plus A of 1, 0. A of 1, 0, what is the element is there? 3 into b of 0, 0. B of 0, 0 element is 1. So 0 plus 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. After the first iteration, then what is the result we are getting? That is 3. So 3 can be initialized. Okay. Next, k value is incremented. Now k value 1. 1 less than 2. Condition true. Now C of same 1, 0 we have to calculate. I value 1, j value 0 is equal to C of 1, 0. C of 1, 0 plus A of I value 1, k value 1. I value 1, k value 1 into B of kj. K value 1, j value 0. Okay. Now what is the result we are getting? C of 1, 0 previous iteration value 3 plus A of 1, 1. A of 1, 1 is 4 into B of 1, 0. B of 1, 0 is 3. So 3 plus 4 into 3, that is equal to 15. Okay. Then finally we are getting this is the 15 value. So then this is the 15 value. Okay. Next, after that k value is incremented. Now k value 2, 2 less than 2, that is false. Then the control goes to the outer for loop. Now j value is incremented. So j value 1, 1 less than 2. Condition true. If the condition is true, then the control goes to the body of this for loop. C of I value 1, j value 1. So initially C of 1, 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Next one. K equal to 0. 0 less than Q value is 2. Condition true. Then the control goes to the body of this for loop. C of ij. So I value 1, j value 1. Okay. C of ij. I value 1, j value 1. We have to calculate is equal to C of I value 1, j value 1. C of 1, 1 plus A of ik. I value 1, k value 0. I value 1, k value 0 plus into B of k value 0, 0, j value 1. This value is 1. Now, C of 1, 1, initially this value is 0 plus A of 1, 0. A of 1, 0 value is this one, 3 into B of 0, 1. B of 0, 1 value is 2. So, we are getting 6. 0 plus 3 into 6, that is 6. So, now initialize C of 1, 1 value after completing this iteration. C11 is equal to 6. Now k value is incremented. Now k value 1, 1 less than 2. Condition 2. The control goes to the body of the for loop. C of 1, 1 we have to calculate. I value 1, j value 1 is equal to C of 1, 1. Previous C of 1, 1 value is 6. Now it becomes 6 plus A of ik. I value 1, k value 1. So A of 1, 1 into B of k value 1, j value 1. So B of 1, 1. So C of 1, 1 value 6 plus A of 1, 1. A of 1, 1 value is 4 into B of 1, 1. B of 1, 1 value is 4. So 6 plus 16, that is equal to 22. So after completing this instruction, it becomes C of 1, 1 value is 22. Okay. Next k incremented, that is 2. 2 less than 2, that is false. Then the control goes to the outer for loop. J increment. J value 2. 2 less than 2, that is false. Thus control goes to outer for loop. I increment. I value becomes 2. 2 less than 2, that is false. The control goes to the next statement after the outer for loop. The resultant matrix C is, okay, so what is the result we are getting? This is the result we are getting. So 7, 10, 15, 22. Okay, so here I also writing. So NP, there is no problem at all. So C of ij, here I am also writing this one. N and this is P. So the same matrix we are printing. This is the resultant matrix 7, 10, 15, 22. Okay, this is the complete explanation of matrix multiplication. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my channel name. So Divvela SRINIVASA. Divvela SRINIVASA. So Divvela SRINIVASA. Thank you.